In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp Content Optimizer for higher email open rates. Start by logging in to Mailchimp and in the left panel, go to Campaigns. And here, open up the email campaign you want to optimize by pressing the Edit button beside it. Then click on Edit Design. Now here in the left panel, click on Optimize. This tool analyzes your email for subject lines, copy, images, and layout. This tool gives actionable tips like improving subject line clarity, using engaging images, or simplifying your copy for readability. And with these suggestions, you can start making changes directly in your campaign based on the suggestions to increase the chances your audience opens and engages with your email. Just rinse and repeat with every campaign. Using this content optimizer consistently can steadily boost your email open rates. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!